Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everybody! Today we will be talking about arts and culture, and the topic for today is Wayang Kulit, the shadow that tells story. First of all, let's talk about the history of Wayang Kulit. Shadow puppetry or shadow play is actually one of the traditional form of storytelling, and in Malaysia, shadow play is known as Wayang Kulit, where wayang means shadow and kulit means skin, which refers to the goat skin or cow hide where the puppets are made from. Historically, Wayang Kulit was performed in the palace, and it became the form of entertainment mainly in palace. Eventually, it was performed beyond the palace and spread into the villages, and it was performed during festivals, ceremonies, and even weddings. Interesting, right? A Wayang Kulit performance usually involves the need of theatre, puppet master or also known as Tok Dalang, puppets, a story, and also several musical ensembles such as hand gongs, drums, and several other musical instruments to accompany the delivery of story. During the delivery of the story, the Tok Dalang will skillfully move the puppets while delivering the story, and he will also use different voices to represent each character that is included in the story. Interesting, isn't it? The most interesting part of Wayang Kulit performance is the story itself. In every story that was delivered by the Tok Dalang, there will always be advices or reminders for the audiences. Very interesting, right? And this Wayang Kulit performance is very famous among the Kelantanese culture. Every performance will always be done or will always be conducted in Kelantanese dialect. Wow, very interesting, isn't it? And if you watch this performance, not only you will be able to listen to the advices or reminders from the story, you can always also learn the Kelantanese dialect. Wow, very interesting, isn't it? All in all, Wayang Kulit is a very special culture and really needs to be protected. Sadly, this culture is gradually disappearing, with a handful of practicing Tok Dalang remaining in Malaysia. Therefore, I really hope with this sharing with you guys, it will help this culture grow. And I will also deliver to you guys the message from one of our YELO Avengers, which is Prof. Andy, the Professor of Arts and Culture, where he really hopes that with this sharing, more people will be more interested in Wayang Kulit, and you guys who watch this video will be able to share about the specialties of Wayang Kulit and how beautiful Wayang Kulit is, and how great it is for other people to know about this culture. That is all from me. Thank you very much.
Hello again guys! For the DIY session, I will teach you guys on how to make a Wayang Kulit puppet. Let's explore! To make a Wayang Kulit puppet, you will need a piece of paper, a cellophane tape, a marker pen, thread or knitting yarn, a pair of scissors, and 3 pieces of skewer sticks. First of all, you will need to draw the character based on your own creativity. Don't forget to draw the limbs of the character separately and put the dot on each limbs. Then, you will need a pair of scissors to cut the drawing of the character. Next, grab the cutouts of the character and make a hole on the dot of the limbs using the skewer sticks. Then, take a thread or knitting yarn and tie up all the limbs together. Don't forget to secure the knots made on the limbs using cellophane tape. To make this puppet, you can also use recyclable materials such as old newspapers. We can help save our nature by doing this, just like how our respected Prof. Andy did. Remember, save our nature! Continue tying until all limbs are tied together. Then, take the skewer stick and stick them to the middle and the hands of the puppet. Now, there you have it, a wayang kulit puppet of your own. Good luck and happy trying!